Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two heavyweights from the Axis Bank credit card lineup, the Axis Magnus and the Axis Atlas cards. Whether you're a travel enthusiast, a rewards junkie, or just someone trying to make the most of every rupee you spend, this video will help you make the right choice. Let's break them down, compare the features, the perks, the costs, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one deserves a place in your wallets. Let's get started. The Axis Magnus is a super premium lifestyle and travel credit card. It's crafted specifically for individuals who spend big and want big rewards in return. With this card, you're not just earning points, you're unlocking access to airport lounges, luxury dining experiences, travel vouchers, and high-end perks. It's designed with the premium user in mind, those who spend upwards of 1 lakh per month and want every bit of that to come back in the form of rewards and exclusive privileges. On the flip side, the Axis Atlas credit card is all about travel optimization with a more focused and structured rewards program. Unlike Magnus, Atlas uses a mileage-based reward system called Edge Miles, giving you a more airline-friendly way to accumulate and redeem points. It's not as expensive as Magnus, which makes it an ideal choice for frequent flyers or moderate spenders who want premium travel benefits without the ultra-high fees. So while Magnus screams luxury and all access, Atlas is more strategic. It gives you access to global travel benefits without requiring a high monthly spend threshold. Now let us talk about the main features of both cards. The Axis Magnus card. The reward points. You earn up to 12 Edge reward points per 200 rupees spent on most categories, but if your spending exceeds 1.5 lakhs per month, the rate jumps up to 35 points per 200 rupees. And if you book flights and hotels through the Axis Travel Edge portal, you earn a jaw-dropping points of 60 points per 200 rupees spent. Travel privileges. This card gives you unlimited international lounge access via Priority Pass for both the primary and add-on cardholders. For the domestic lounges, you also get unlimited access too, provided you spend up to 50,000 rupees in the last 3 months. So it's ideal for regular travelers. Milestone benefits. If you spend 1 lakh or more in a month, you get a voucher worth 10,000 rupees from top brands like Yatra, Lux, and Postcard hotels every month. Luxury services. You also get dining benefits where you earn up to 30% discount at over 4,000 restaurants across India. There's also health and wellness benefits too for insurance. And there's lowered interest rates of 3% on extended credits, reduced markup fee of 2% on foreign transactions, and there are no cash withdrawal fees. There's also a fuel surcharge waiver of 1% for transactions between 400 to 4,000 rupees. And the redemption options. Points can be converted into airline miles, which are used for hotel bookings or redeemed against a wide variety of products and vouchers. How about the Axis Atlas card? The reward system is also in Edge Miles. Instead of the traditional reward points, the card earns you Edge Miles. You get 1 Edge Mile for every 100 rupees spent. There's a welcome benefit of 2,500 Edge Miles upon your first transaction on your Atlas credit card within 37 days from the date of the card issuance. This card also goes by a tier-based structure. The card has 3 reward tiers. There's the Silver, the Gold, and the Platinum. You start at Silver and climb to higher tiers as your annual spending increases. For example, to reach the Gold tier requires spending 7.5 lakhs annually. And with every tier upgrade, the good thing is you get other benefits like lounge access and reward multipliers that improve. Now let us talk about the lounge access. As a Silver tier user, you get 8 domestic lounge visits annually. Once you move to Gold or Platinum, that number increases. And you also get international lounge access through Dragon Pass, which improves as your tier increases. There's also milestone benefits where you unlock up to 10,000 Edge Miles on achieving the spend milestone. So when you spend 3 lakhs in milestone, you get 2,500 Edge Miles. 7.5 lakhs, you get additional 2,500, and for 15 lakhs, you get additional 5,000. The accumulated Edge miles can be converted to miles of multiple airline programs, making it perfect for people who frequently travel internationally and want to fly business or first class using miles. Now let us talk about the pricing. For the Access Magnus, there's a joining fee of 12,500 rupees plus GST. There's also an annual renewal fee of 12,500 rupees plus GST, and the fees get waived off if you spend up to 25 lakhs in the preceding year. There's also a lowered interest rate of 3% on extended credits and 2% on foreign transactions. For the Atlas card, there's a joining fee of 5,000 rupees and the standard renewal fee of 5,000 rupees plus GST. For this card, there's no standard waiver mentioned. Fees apply on cash withdrawal, and the finance charges are 3.75% per month. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these cards? First, the pros. Access Magnus, exceptional travel rewards especially for high spenders, unlimited lounge access worldwide for primary and add-on users, and high reward rates on travel bookings through the Access Travel Edge. And the pros of the Access Atlas? Lower annual fee compared to Magnus, Edge miles system tailored for airline redemptions, and tier-based upgrades that reward loyalty over time. How about the cons? For the Access Magnus, the annual fee is very high, and you need a high spending requirement to justify the benefits. So the value is lower if you don't frequently travel or spend big. The cons of the Access Atlas card? The travel rewards is mostly limited to airline miles, is less flexible, and there's lower lounge access for the base tier users. The earning rate is also modest unless you hit higher tiers. So let's break it down. If you're someone who spends 1 lakh or more per month, you travel frequently, and you want access to luxury perks, the Access Magnus card clearly delivers massive value. But if you are a moderate spender or a frequent flyer who prefers to collect airline miles without the pressure of hitting massive spending milestones, then the Access Atlas becomes a very attractive choice. It's more affordable, and its Edge miles system is efficient and targeted. And that's it on the comparison between the Access Magnus and the Atlas card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HDFC Regalia Gold Credit Card, Axis Vistara Infinite Credit Card, and SBI Elite Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.